Okay, so in this one, I'm going to show you how to install an analytics dashboard from Google. It's one of the ways you can be able to monitor traffic, monitor the things that are actually happening in your website when it comes to users, traffic, and all that. So one of the ways you can do this is through Google Analytics. There are many analytics platforms on out there, but I think the best is Google Analytics. You can use it, you can integrate it into your website, into WordPress actually. You can integrate it into WordPress and to give you an overview of how traffic comes into your website, where it goes to. It helps to optimize things. You can use it to even track conversions and all that if you're running an e-commerce website. So this is the plugin we're going to use, Monster Insights, Google Analytics Dashboard for WordPress website stats made easy. So just install this plugin so it can, okay, let me activate it. So you have to do the first setups for this thing to work. So just click on this launch wizard. It asks you the type of category, the website category, business website, publisher, or e-commerce. Well, let me just choose business. Then we need to connect Monster Insights to your WordPress. So let's click on connect Google Analytics, connect Monster Insights. Now, this is a very important place. We need to follow the steps correctly because now we have to link Google Analytics to Monster Insights so that it can be able to work on this website. So let's click on continue and connect to Google. First, it asks us to sign in. Just choose your Google account. Then click on allow. Then you select a Google profile. Now this part is a little bit tricky. You have to go to Google Analytics and create an actual profile property. It's called property. You have to create a property. I have a couple properties. I have just 3 properties here. So since I don't have any property for this my particular website, I will hold on because once I click on complete connection, it's going to connect it to this particular website. But I don't need it to be there. I need to create a property for it. So what I'll do is this is select a different property. It's a guide. So let me open it. Then select the account. To take me to Google Analytics. Now. Oh, sorry. So what I need to do here is I need to open up. I thought it's going to open up Google Analytics for me, but I just have to do that manually. So let's go to Google Analytics. This is the no, not that. I think this is the website. Let's open this one up. Yeah, this is the website, analytics.google.com. So as a first timer, I think it's going to ask you to, just supply some information so that you can create the account. But it's very simple because you already have a Google account, you have a Gmail account. So it's very, very simple. So this is home. This is the home. Okay. Now on this part, I think, okay, he's going to ask you to maybe create a property, but I don't know if you have any issues, you can just tell me. But just in case, you can easily create a property from this part of the page. So what you do is just go to settings, which is this part, the admin. Click on admin. It's going to ask you, it's going to list the account. This is my account. This is the property. This is the properties in my account. Then I can click on create property. Then to ask you for the name, let's just name it the no just name this. Well, every other thing should be the way. Okay, let me change the time zone to +1. Oh, sorry, United States. I have to change it to Nigeria first. Nigeria. Okay, +1 Nigerian time. Can leave the dollar sign the way it is currency. Then next, business details. You just select your business details and all that. Let's say art and entertainment, small size. Next, generate. What is your gain, your objective? You can choose um let me use this, get baseline reports. Let me say examine user behavior, or let me just use only get. Okay, I can only choose one. Only choose one. So create, start collecting data. Where do I want to start collecting data? iOS app, Android app, or web? But I want to collect data from web, so I'll choose web. It's going to ask you for your website, but this part is not necessary. It's not necessary because I'm going to use this for manual integration. They want you to like integrate the whole thing to your website, but since I have Monster Insights already, I don't need it. So what I'll do is I'll cancel this. I'll click on skip for now, then continue to home. Just scroll down and click continue to home. Now you can see that can't find any data streams. Please set up a stream to start collecting data. Nothing has been linked. So I'll just, the main thing is just to create the property. You can see the property is created already. So what I'll do is I'll just go back to this place. Let me click on select a different Google. No, not that. Well, no problem. You can just refresh this page. That's what I was supposed to do. But let me just go ahead. It's going to give me the same result. So now let's check the property. You can see the property is now listed here. So I'll select this and then click on, let me turn this off. Then click on complete connection. Just give it a little time to complete authentication. Okay, so it's now done. It will now ask you for some recommended settings and all that, but I'm going to skip it. But this part show Monster Inside badge. Please turn it off. Okay, it's off. Sorry, it's off. So make sure it's off. If you turn it on, it will be showing in your website, all over your website, that you are using Monster Insight, and that's not good. So let me just save, keep for now. You can see everything has been installed, connected to Google Analytics, tracking code installed, data being collected, data has started being collected. So I don't need to upgrade, so I'll exit setup. Anytime this message comes up, don't worry. If it doesn't go off, just refresh the page. So you can see, congratulations, you are now connected to Monster Insights. So it's already done. It's already done. Once you start getting traffic, you can check your dashboard. Let me go to the dashboard. Or you can check Monster Insights settings. The dashboard of Monster Insights is going to give you an overview of you know traffic and all that in your website. You can see it Monster Insights. Sorry, Monster Insights report overview, page view, sessions, average session duration, total users. So once people start using your website, you'll be seeing the data here. The number of people using your website, the page views, the number of seconds they stay in your website, the number of sessions they stay in your website. So everything will come up here. It also show you popular pages. It will show you popular pages as well. But let's go to for you to access that, just go to this is where it is, Monster Insights. Let's go to reports. So this is where the report will be. There's no statistics yet. That's why it's saying we are waiting for your start. Nothing is happening on this particular website. So nothing at all. So you are going to be seeing your statistics here. Top posts and pages. You can see your top posts and pages here. So that's it. And of course, you can also check your analytics from Google directly. You can check your analytics from this place, analytics.google.com. You can also check it from this point. There's also an Android app. There's a Google Analytics Android app you can also use to monitor your traffic, the traffic coming into your website. So that's it. And that's how to connect your website to Google Analytics and use it for your WordPress website.